All right, version 2.2 of the A8 Manager is ready to go. Main changes were with adding the auto fixers or the bulk fixers, if you will. And some other work was done in checking to see if a directory has changed. I now check the date and time of each file to actually see if that version of the file has changed since it was last checked, which helps keep certain things updated nicely. In any case, let's go over and look at the new fix all features, because I think those are the most interesting things, and hopefully will help you be more efficient by not having to go through each of these things by hand. So let's go to the too long folder and the backup folder. All right, so these are file names that are all too long. And I've got a couple different algorithms for shortening, such as this truncation at 47, appending digits to it to find a unique name, and removing vowels in under certain conditions that allow the name to be shorter. So with rename, I've actually added, along with the rename all, if you want to do an individual file, we do have an auto rename for that file now. So you can do manual still if you wanted, or you can go ahead and do this auto rename, which will do the same thing as the rename all, but just for that file. So let's go ahead and do a rename all, plunk, and there we got our new names. And then let's go ahead and put another copy of those long file names down in the folder, and then we'll see what happens if we have collisions, because of course these files are going to try to get renamed to the current names we have, and so we'll start appending integers to the end of that. There we go. So we got the same name but with a 1, with a 1, with a 1, and with a 1. If we keep doing it, we'll get a 2, we'll get a 3, etc., etc. So yeah, that's that one. Works like a champ. Let's do the wrong format one next. So these are floating point files that obviously need to be converted to integer files. So we can do that just by clicking here. It'll convert that individual file, or we can go over here and go ahead and fix them all. And now they're all integer and good to go. Lastly, let's go ahead and work on missing files. So missing files are when you have sample files that are included in a preset, but the samples themselves aren't here. So let me go ahead. I can delete the sample files, and we'll see the view here update and give us the warnings. Again, we could come here and select find for any of these individual files, but we can also do locate all now, and that's going to bring up a dialog. Going to show us our missing files, going to show us the current folder we're in, which is actually displayed down here, and now we can navigate to the location where these files exist. Such as here, we have 1, 2, 3 here. So let's go and say look here. It's going to go ahead and look. It's going to find them. It's going to copy them into this folder, and you'll see this update as well with the file name going white, showing it's found. And the missing files will be removed from here, and we'll still have this dialog showing for the next 3 that we need to find. Boom, just like that. So we can see now we've gone down to just the 3. Start our music here again. Oh, it's going to loop, right? Yeah, good. Anyway, so let's go where the rest of those files are, and those are in test preset. That's the rest of them. So we go ahead and grab those. Boom, they're all there. And that's it. So we did rename all, we did convert all, we did locate all. You noticed here when these files come or go, I'll just get rid of this one. This guy updates, and we see that he's missing again. We also see down here that he's missing, and so we can go just do the locate from here if we want. Select the actual file. Boom, just like that. That's it. So v2.2 is live on the website, and I will post updates for everybody to see it, and hope this is useful to you guys. Ciao.